Hi, I'm Nadia from Group 8. Our group name is Pangasius Pangasius, or we call it Ikan Patin. We choose this name because we love to eat ikan patin masak tempoyak. This is Professor Claude Boyd, a water quality expert. He was a teacher and researcher in water quality related to aquaculture and fisheries at Auburn University for 15 years before retiring a few years ago. He has 539 publications in ResearchGate and 288,228 people have read his publication. The most popular book written by Dr. Claude is Water Quality and Introduction. He can speak 3 languages, English, Spanish, and Thai. One of the honors he received is Lifetime Achievement Awards by United States Aquaculture Society. My group decided to choose 3 papers of Dr. Claude to summarize in the next presentation.
Pond Water Aeration System, written by Coldy Ebott. It has been published in 1998. The journal name is Aquaculture Engineering. Main finding from the article. The purpose of this article is to summarize the function and principles of aeration, type of aerator, and how to choose the best aerator for the aquaculture pond. In this article, it tells that aeration is one of the most important components in aquaculture. Aeration is used to increase the dissolved oxygen content in the water. In addition, aeration is required to prevent stress or death of fish and crustaceans when dissolved oxygen concentration are low. Aeration performance test has been important in selecting design features to provide economical and efficient aquaculture pond aerators.
My name is Tuan Bushra Azahara, S5534C. I will present summary of article Dissolved Oxygen and Aeration in Thallic Catfish Aquaculture. The author of the article is Boyd, Torrent and Tucker, Claude E. Boyd as the main author. This article published on February 2018. Volume issue 49-1, page number 7 to 70 in the Journal of the World Aquaculture Society. The article is free to read and have a 43 total citation. Finding of the article is behavior of oxygen in water, dynamic of requirement and use of dissolved oxygen by catfish, principle of aeration, the development of efficient aerator for catfish farming, and the management of dissolved oxygen in pond and hatchery in U.S. catfish culture. However, this article focuses on Thallic catfish. That's all from me. Thank you.
My article is Water Quality Management in Aquaculture. First author is Coldy Ebott and co-author V.K. Pillai. Journal name is CMFRI, Special Publication. Total citation is 81. Year publishes 1885, Volume 22, Issue 9, page number 105. Next, the main findings of this article. Water quality includes all physical, chemical, and biological factors that influence the beneficial use of water. Next, fish culture is concerned. Any characteristic of water that affects the survival, reproduction, growth, production, or management of fish in any way is a water quality variable. Last but not least, there are many water quality variables in pond fish culture.
So the conclusion is water quality are very important in aquaculture system. Poor water quality can lead to algae bloom. Algae bloom will cause dissolved oxygen in water deficit. Dissolved oxygen is the amount of oxygen that is present in water, and water body reserve oxygen from the atmosphere and from aquatic plants. Too high and too low dissolved oxygen will affect fish health that can lead fish to be stressed, get disease, and also mortality. Therefore, mechanical device in pond is often required to prevent stress, disease, or death of fish and crustaceans. The most common use and effective mechanical device to increase dissolved oxygen concentration in pond is aeration. Aeration is the process by which air is circulated through and mixed with or dissolved in a liquid or substance. Aeration brings water and air in close contact in order to remove dissolved gas and to oxidize dissolved metals including iron, hydrogen sulfate, and volatile organic chemicals.